Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Ramsey Custom Shop. This is Gary and you're looking at Tom Noble's YouTube channel. Been a long time friend of mine on YouTube and just finishing up on a Camaro build out in Las Vegas. He's actually been by the shop before. But Tom reached out to me to do a branding iron for a friend of his who is also an up-and-coming YouTuber who does some guitar builds, does some original music, a lot of covers. So right here is his logo. You can see here, Hazey Daze. And so he wants to make a branding iron that he can use in his guitar build. So why not watch one of his covers here while we do this build? So how about Johnny Be Good?